Let's take a closer look at our Fix It Up checklist. We'll use this checklist today to make our writing the best it can be. Our first box says starts with a capital letter, capital H. Next, has spaces between the words. Oh, we are really good at that. Okay. Then has punctuation at the end, a period, a question mark, an exclamation point. And last, contains mostly lowercase letters. So we won't have extra capitals in the middles of words or sentences when we don't need them. I want to show you a sample opinion story today, and we'll learn together how to use our Fix It Up checklist. Okay, writers, so I'm revisiting a story that was written earlier during our opinion unit. What is the best way to get around on your own? You might choose to fix up this story today using our checklist. You could also use another story. Remember, you're the boss of your own writing, so it's up to you what story or stories you want to fix up. What is the best way to get around? I think scooters are the best because it is fast and it also has handles and you sway on the scooter. Wow, that's a great story. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use my Fix It Up checklist to take a look. Starts with a capital letter. Let's see. Oh, I see a capital W here. Okay, check. There's the end of her sentence. And then I see capital I. I think this story has some good capitals. Check. Oh, I love checking things off. Okay, next we're going to look for has spaces between the words. That makes our stories easier to read. Uh-oh. What is the uh-oh? There's no space there. So I can rewrite those words. Is space the. Oh, that helps a lot. That helps a lot. Okay, let's check that off. Check, check. What's next? Oh, yep, has punctuation at the end. I'm going to add, just to remind myself, period, question mark, or exclamation point, depending on the kind of sentence that you're writing. What is the best way to get around? Okay, question mark. I think scooters are the best because it is fast and it also has handles and you sway on the scooter, period. Oh, great. Okay, we had a question mark and a period. Check on that one. Okay, let's look at the last item on our Fix It Up checklist. Contains mostly lowercase letters. And you know what we could also do here is talk about letter reversals too, if we wanted to get really fancy. Okay, the capital where we need it. Uh-oh, scooters. Look here, that's a capital S. We don't need a capital in the middle of our sentence. So I'm going to make that a lowercase. That's a little bit better. Are the best because it is fast. It also has, ooh, I see a backwards letter here. It is lowercase, but I think I want to make it look a little bit better. Has handles and you sway on the scooter. Oh, pretty good. Wow, that did not take very long. I'm going to write my name on my Fix It Up checklist. Mrs. Upper, check. Contains mostly, check, lowercase letters. Writers, today I want you to use this Fix It Up checklist to make one or more of your stories even better. See you soon.